if x minus 3 equals y, then quantity y minus x cubed equals blank. Okay, so manggagaling yung answer natin dito sa unang equation, x minus 3 equals y. X minus 3 equals y, kailangan nating makakuha ng expression na y minus x. Okay, so we have x minus 3 equals y. Para magkaroon tayo ng y minus x, all we have to do is subtract x to both sides or transpose this x to the other side. Therefore, we have negative 3 equals y minus x. So the value of y minus x is negative 3. So substitute this negative 3 to this y minus x. So therefore, we have negative 3 to the third power, that is equal to negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. So we have 3 negative signs. So that is negative 3 times 3 is 9 times 3, 27. So the correct answer is letter B, negative 27. Follow for more.